Yeehaw! Whoa, easy there, Tipsy. Jesus. I don't know if you guys can see anything. It's pouring rain out. Yep. Oh yeah, I think it's in my thingy. Oh, it's raining out, guys. Oh. Oh yeah, the rain. I don't know. This video is probably not going to work too well. Oh, I bet in a wheelie. I'm just too much of a pussy. Yeehaw! Oh, it's so quiet. Nice, quiet, rainy night, guys. I don't know how this footage will turn out. But I figured, oh, why not make a neat rainy night video? Yeah, so Tipsy and I are looking at the weather report for the next week, and then it turned into looking at the weather report for the next month. Yeah. It looks like there's going to be lots of Navi use. It looks like my bike, and I think Tipsy might be putting his away sooner than mine, only because of the time frame with days off and that. But I think the VTX might be, might get one last ride in. It depends if I can keep it out till Wednesday or so. You guys probably have already. Oh no, maybe you haven't seen that. Oh fuck, I gotta turn here. Oh, see, I'm talking, not paying attention, wiping cameras off. Oh, yeah, make it, make it, make it. Oh, I got it, yeah. Always get it. Ooh, green light. Green light means go. Hiya. Flying with the Navi to the store. Great little bike. I gotta love this bike. But yeah, I don't know what I was saying, but yeah. Yeah. His is probably going away a couple days sooner than mine, because days off and you do everything I want to do for the winter. Blah, 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 you know. But we will see. It just looks like it's just supposed to be freezing cold from now on. And I don't know, the forecast for November and December for snow does not look promising. And once they lay salt down, I don't want that bike to hit the road until I can wash it every day in the spring, kind of deal, or you know, where it's not going to be sitting for months under a bike cover and yeah. Hey people, there's Navi, but yeah, don't you dare. Ah, very, very good, yeah. Yeah, but anyways, yeah. So you might see another VTX video, maybe. If not, that is why. You will hear more about it. Oh, I missed the heated grips, but I got handlebar mitts that I'll put on this. Sorry for the amount of times I've wiped the lens, but it's raining out. I thought I'd try to do a little video on the way. Oh. Yeah. So, we will see. I don't know what happens, for sure. Oh, something smells so good. Oh. We have now. Honda Navi coming in. Oh, it's busy in here. I better be for a freaking restaurant.